Turing has it, being heavily guarded by Magbanua. Jab step, tries to drive, in and out triple to the corner. Orinco drives, just blocked by Cardenas, and they scramble for the ball, but they're out of time, and that's a shot clock violation for the Jaguar Cubs. What a day!
But great defense by Magbanua prior to that pass to Orinco. You can see how locked in.
He's bringing the ball, being heavily guarded here. Tries to hesitate. Floater coming from him, short once again. He gets his own rebound, but blocked by Cardenas.
I don't think that they will be on penalty zone already. But I think Ateneo, during these final seconds, they gotta be careful in defending.
Passes to Basa. Up top. 12 seconds left on the shot clock. Maglasang to the inside. Cardenas fade away. Gets that to go. Good shot coming from Cardenas.
Not much, to lock or clamp in there as Cardenas shot that fade away.
Tiro Pipito.
Intensity is here as we look onto that replay, that fade away. Not too much of, coverage during that shot.
It was a good cut by Cardenas. Possession. Pipito now handling the leather. Candia from the right wing, being guarded by Kainglet. He's slowing it down. Crossover to the right. Met by Cardenas. A monster block coming from the big man of the Magis Eagles.
A back-to-back block, but again, Cardenas, that's the highlight right there. You see here on the replay, Candia uses his right, but Cardenas anticipated that layup. Perfect timing by him, and also perfect, placement of his hand to the ball. A small lead for USJR to catch up in here, pretty intense defense and also pretty efficient offenses from them.
Turing tries to elevate, but passes it to the Ateneo bench. Just a speeding Raha. Kainglet to Magbanua. Maglasang gets it up top once again. Basa from the right wing. Tries to drive hop step, but inside pass to Cardenas. What a connection coming from Basa and Cardenas.
The chemistry is just too high for this team. No matter what position that you are.